What's up, guys? So today, we're gonna start making the molds for these pieces right here, or for the whole lightning ground effect, what it's called, or the skirts, whatever you want to call them. So here we have the whole kit, and we're gonna use what I've investigated or done research. That first goes a gloss of wax, and then the green thing called PVA. Yeah, so we're gonna use this, put the wax. Well, I already put a coat of wax on each one, and then I'm gonna put the PVA, let that dry, and then put another coat of wax, just cause some people say put the PVA first, some people say put the wax first. So I think the wax before the PVA is good, and the wax after the PVA seems good as well. So that seems smart. So what I'm gonna do is no tape on here, and this one has a little bit. So I'm gonna put some tape on the edges all over the piece. So, and put some more wax, just another coat. It's just so when I put the fiberglass, it doesn't try to stick onto the inside or something. And just has a good form, you know. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with the tape right now. After that, I brought this brush I found inside, cause I paint. I tattoo as well. So I got a brush, so I'm gonna brush this liquid onto the piece. After that's done, that's dry, I'll put another coat of wax with that rag, and after that's done, I'm gonna start with the fiberglass, this is the fiberglass. It's a big roll. Well, I'll show it to you. But that's why I have this is a wax, which looks kind of weird. Never seen a wax like that. It's getting dirty already. How quick. I haven't even dipped nothing. I've just been using the cap. Got the scissors for the fiberglass and make some couple pieces for this, and then start like that. But yeah, right now I'm gonna try to start put this on here. Yes, that's exactly. Oh no, put the tape, then this. So welcome back, guys. Yesterday we did 3 coats of the green liquid, which is called Fiberglass PVA, whatever. All right. So we did 3 coats yesterday, let it dry. Today, grab some more of the wax and put another coat just cause. Right now, I got this mix gonna go through right now. Put it in here. Yeah, and I got some pieces cut out already. So yeah, we're gonna see after I do the mix. I'm gonna do the mix and just start putting it on. Right. See how it goes. Show you guys. So I got the resin done. Got the pieces here, and I'm gonna start applying it right now.
He was drunk as fuck.
So
Pulled up on me drunk as hell.
I'll show you guys once I put one on.